One sec. 1 minute. 1 sec. 1 minute. 1 sec. 1 minute.
Welcome to the Beauty Hour tonight. Talking about beauty, in tonight's discussion, we are going to be talking about what happened in Vegas, Nevada during the Miss Universe pageant finale. Just have a look.
Miss Universe 2015 is Colombia. I have to apologize. The first runner-up is Colombia. Miss Universe 2015 is Philippines.
How do these things even happen? The nation needs to know. The people of India need to know. Though this was held in Vegas, Nevada, people of India need an answer. How did Miss Colombia lose out a crown to Miss Philippines? How did the host make such a mistake? Miss Colombia, Miss Philippines, two different things, two different country, two different girls. Colombia is spelled as C-O-L-O-M-B-I and Philippines is spelled Philip, P-I-N-E-S. As simple as that, whichever way you want to pronounce it. Philippines, Philippines or whatever. But anyway, a mistake has happened. A girl lost her crown on the spot immediately after being declared a winner. People of India need to know. The nation needs to know. And right now on the panel, we have got a wonderful panel over here. We are going to call Miss Ivan Menezes. Sorry, Mr. Ivan Menezes. Sir, how are you, sir?
I'm good, man. Arnab, how are you?
Sorry about that little faux pas. You look like Miss Ivan Menezes. Anyway, he has been the judge of Miss Bandra contest. How are you, sir?
I'm good, man. Arnab, what are you doing, man? What's your
Okay,
scene?
thank you. A high socialite who has been a judge on 36 Miss Vadodara competitions. Kailash Crownwala. How are you, madam?
Very fine, Arnab. How are you?
Thank you, ma'am. Do not try to patronize me. And also with us is Pappu Pageant, the chief security guard of the Malwani Beauty Contest. Pappu, how are you, sir?
हाँ भाई एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास है क्या एकदम
Strange language. And also joining me in this discussion, last but not the least, is Miss Priya, ex-Miss Chikmagalur. How are you?
Namaskar,
Thank you for
namaskar.
joining me on this show. Firstly, Mr. Ivan, you win, but Miss Colombia did not win. If such a thing had happened during the Miss Bandra pageant, how would your reactions have been?
Arey, Arnab, you're talking in hypothetical. no?
Hypothetical. If you want to do tutty, go to the bathroom, man.
Arey, no, not like that. I'm saying, Arey, if you're saying if this happened, then would scene become?
Yes,
No.
whatever. Sir, please carry on. Please tell me what are your views on this?
Arey, see, Arnab, you know what happened last year? Actually, na, Rochelle won, but then they said Michelle won.
Who? Michelle Obama?
Arey, not Michelle Obama, man. Michelle Rodriguez. Michelle Obama won in
Do you
85.
mean to say Michelle Obama was from Bandra?
Yeah, of course she's from Bandra. She'll be in Chapel Road
Shut
only.
Chapel now, right now. Great Chapel. Anyway, let me take this across to Kailash Crownwala. Miss Kailash Crownwala, what do you have to say about this?
Arnab, when I was in Paris,
What, Paris? Why Paris again? There is no Paris over here. This contest was held in Vegas, Nevada.
ए बेवड़ा किसको बोला बे
Sir, why are you saying such things? Why are you interrupting in between? I said Nevada. अब पता नहीं क्या हो गया तुमको केवड़ा बोलता है तुम्हें लौड़ा सुनाई देता है Anyways, please continue. Miss Crownwala, please continue.
Arnab, when I was in charge, the girls were very mature, so it was like different.
Oh, wonderful. Did a similar incident happen during
Oh,
your
yeah.
beauty pageant in Vadodara?
Shireen, actually she had won, but then they announced, that Shiraz is the winner instead. Which actually Shiraz was the winner.
Okay, so how did Miss Shireen react to this? We would like to know. India needs an answer tonight. Please tell
But
us, ma'am.
she didn't remember that because she was 80, she was mature, she was 80 and she had Alzheimer's.
Oh, wonderful. We all are wishing that Miss Colombia had some Alzheimer's or some problem. But anyway, that was not the case. Let me take this discussion across to Miss Priya, ex-Miss Chikmagalur. Miss Chikmagalur, please tell me, how would you have handled such a situation?
స్టేషన్ ఊరుడ్ స్టేషన్ ఉండు యాన్ కిన్ని కొల్లిడ్ పత్తును ముల్కిడ్ చెప్పును
Mulgi, yes, I understand Mulgi. You are a Mulgi. But would you cry if your crown was taken away?
ಅಂದ್ ಬೇಜಾರಾವ್ ಎಂಕಲ ಎಂಕ ಅಲೆ ತುದೆಲ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಬೇಜಾರ ಅಂಡ್ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗ
and-
ಬತ್ತುಂಡು
You're trying to tell me that आप उस host का आंट को लात मारते, काट देते.
ಅಂದ್ ಬಕದಾದ ಆಯ್ಗ ಬ್ಯಾವರ್ಸಿಗ ಆಯ್ಗ ಆತಲ ಮಂಡೆ ಇಜ್ಜ ಹಾ ಅಂಚೆಂಚ ಪೊನ್ನುನ ಪೂಜೆ ಸರಿ ಪನ್ ಪೂಜೆ
wonderful. Thank you so much,
ಪಟ್ಟಿಂಗ
ma'am. Thank you for praising me. पप्पू पेजेंट, आपका क्या कहना है? अगर आपके इलाके में ऐसा कुछ होता कि क्राउन मिस कोलंबिया के सर से किसी और के सर पे डाल दिया, तो आपका क्या रिएक्शन होता है इस पर?
देख भाई कोलंबिया का मालूम नहीं, लेकिन अगर अपने कॉलोनी में ऐसा कुछ होता था ना, अपन सीधा स्टेशन भागता था, उधर से 2 ट्रॉफी उठाता था और वापस लेके दोनों को एक एक देता था. क्या
सर ट्रॉफी नहीं है, इट्स अ क्राउन.
अरे क्राउन टीवी आजकल चलता किधर है बे? क्या बोल रहा है
Make
तू?
any sense? आगे बढ़ते हैं. पप्पू भाई, टाइम टू से बाय बाय. आपके पास 30 सेकंड है. फाइनल वर्ड्स.
अरे मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं कोलंबिया शिफ्ट हो जाऊँ. क्या आइटम लोग इधर भाई?
Oh, sir, okay, sir. Thank you so much. Mr. Ivan Menezes. I'm sorry for calling you Miss so many times.
Alright, it's okay, man. Already the hair's growing. My dad also calls me Miss Man only. No tension like that. It's okay. You can call, but I'm Mr. only.
Okay. Tell me your final words. 30 seconds.
Alright, you see now, Arnab, according to me, what the scene is now, you look at the whole universe. Now, all the time, there's so many countries are there. Now, they all pick one girl. You put them all on the stage, put them in bikini, look at all the curves and all the edges, look from different perspectives.
Yeah, thank you. The only angle that you know, it seems to be AK angle. Anyway, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let me go ahead and okay, last few words from Mrs. Crownwala. Miss Crownwala.
See, Arnav, I think that, beauty pageant is just a thing, Girls should just take them in the stride. A crown is a crown, a tiara is a tiara. If you get a tiara, you become a Kiara. A Kiara may not get a tiara. It's
Thank
just
you so much for joining me.
something
Miss
like
Priya,
that.
final words, please.
ಯಾನ್ ದಾದಾಪ ನೋಡಿ ಎಂಕ ಕೇತಂದಂಡ ಯಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಡ್ದು ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಮಲ್ದುವೆ ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಂದದು ಬೈದುವೆ
Yes, even I know my multiplications very well and I'm going to Dadar after this. You can join me if you want to. Final words coming in from Mr. Chidambaram. Sir, what do you have to say about this?
I strongly condemn this dastardly act.
Wonderful, sir. They all scared. They put down the crown. They sold it to the Raddiwala and they all run away from there. They all run away from Nevada. Thank you so much for condemning this act, sir. Last words coming in from Sunny Jewel. Sunny, please come in, sir.
जब 2.5 किलो का क्राउन किसी के सर पे पड़ता ना, उसे उठाता नहीं, वो खुद ब खुद उठ जाता है. उसके पापा से कहना चाहिए ना उसे, आए.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Nobody called you, but yet you came. So nice of you, sir. Thank you very much for joining me in this wonderful discussion. This is a beauty hour now. Very soon we'll be joining you with some more discussions on beauty hour or cutie hour or maybe sexual hour. But right now, thank you so much. Ivan, yes, you were saying something.
Arey, no, man. I was going to go to Chris Caterers and order something, man. You said you're on Dadar now, so the scene is I've got to go fix my bike when the scene
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for a mechanical problems. या पप्पू भाई कुछ बोल रहे थे आप?
हाँ मैं बोल रहा था कि वो फिलीपींस का रास्ता किधर से, मतलब इधर से आगे जाके राइट लेने का लेफ्ट लेने का.
सर ऑटो वाले से पूछ लीजिए. Ask the auto rickshaw driver. He'll guide you to Philippines. Thank you so much for joining me. That's all we have tonight. So in tonight's discussion, thank you very much. Good night and Shabba Khair.